We're always hearing about the future of AI in medicine, but today we're talking about right now. We're going to look at some absolutely groundbreaking AI tools that are already changing how we find and how we fight disease. Let's dive in. So let's just kick things off with a question that, honestly, sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Is it really possible for an algorithm to just look at your face and accurately diagnose something as complex and as human as depression? Well, the answer, incredibly, is yes. But believe me, that is just the tip of the iceberg. This kind of technology is opening up an entirely new way of thinking about diagnostics, treatment, and even our day-to-day healthcare. For so long, AI in medicine has felt like this abstract 10 years from now kind of idea, right? But we've really hit this major turning point where these concepts are becoming actual real-world tools that doctors and scientists are using. So for this explainer, we're going to walk through the entire patient journey. We'll start with how AI is completely changing diagnostics, then we'll move into how it's creating brand new treatments, and finally, we'll see how it's putting proactive, everyday wellness right in our hands. All right, first up, diagnostics. This is really where AI shines, because it can spot patterns that are completely invisible to the human eye. We're talking everything from mental health and cancer, all the way to how we age. Okay, so this brings us right back to that first question we asked. It turns out, by tracking 68 tiny facial landmarks, we're talking about those little subconscious muscle movements that make up our expressions, and AI can create this detailed 3D map of the face. And it's so sensitive that it can spot bipolar disorder with over 95% accuracy. I mean, think about that. This could be a total game changer for things like telehealth, just getting people the right help so much faster. But AI's diagnostic power goes way, way deeper than the surface. Take a look at Google's Deep Somatic. This thing dives right into a tumor's genetic code to find the exact mutations that are driving the cancer. And what's really amazing is that it can work on tumor-only samples, like from blood cancers, which has always been a massive challenge for scientists. And here is the so what. It's about speed. And this isn't some small improvement either. Deep Somatic is 80% faster than the tools we're using right now. Just imagine for a second what that means for a patient who is waiting anxiously for a diagnosis, for a personalized plan to fight back. Diagnostics are also helping us build a much, much richer picture of our overall health. Get this. Using AI, researchers can now look at an MRI scan and figure out the biological age of your individual organs. Yeah, that means your brain could literally be aging faster than your liver. It's an incredible way to get ahead of disease because these organ clocks are turning out to be really powerful predictors of future health risks. Okay, so you've diagnosed a disease. What's next? This brings us to the second stage of the journey. How AI isn't just finding diseases anymore, it's actually creating entirely new ways to fight them. Now, to really get this next breakthrough, you have to know about something called cold tumors. Basically, these are cancer cells that are complete masters of disguise. They have a way of hiding from your body's own immune system, which means really powerful treatments like immunotherapy just fly right by them. They don't work. And this is where it just gets incredible. A massive AI model from Google and Yale basically learned to understand the language of our cells. It read through just tons of biological data, and it found a hidden pathway. It then figured out that a specific drug could be used to flip a switch, essentially lighting up that cold tumor so the immune system could finally see it and go on the attack. And look, this isn't just some wild theory. When they actually tested the AI's idea in the lab, they saw a 50% jump in the very signals that basically scream attack right here to your immune system. So the AI didn't just find a random correlation. It generated a brand new, testable biological idea that actually worked. So what's the wider impact here? It's staggering. By using AI to come up with and test hypotheses like this, companies are already cutting the time it takes to discover new drugs by around 40%. Just think about that. That means life-saving treatments could get to patients years sooner than before. So all of this brings us to the final and, maybe the most personal part of this whole journey. We're moving away from just treating sickness and really moving toward proactively managing our wellness in a way that's tailored specifically to you. I mean, just look at this slide. It perfectly captures the huge shift we're all living through right now. We're leaving behind a world of reactive care, where you only go to the doctor when you're already sick, and moving into this new model of real-time tracking and personalized insights that help you stay healthy in the first place. And again, this isn't science fiction. It's already here. Alphabet's Verily Me app is a perfect example. It has this AI companion called Violet that can answer questions using your actual medical records. You can even just snap a picture of your lunch and get instant feedback on nutrition. It's like having a health expert right there in your pocket. Okay, so we've seen how AI is helping us diagnose, treat, and manage our health. But what does all of this mean for you? Tomorrow or next year? Where is all of this really heading? After everything we've looked at today, from diagnostics that see the invisible to wellness that fits in your pocket, it really makes you wonder, right? Which one of these areas is going to explode first and have the biggest, fastest impact on your daily life? So I guess I'll just leave you with this final thought. Looking at this list, which of these breakthroughs would you want to see first? The power to predict cancer treatment before you even feel sick? Or hey, maybe it's something a little simpler, like an AI that finally just handles all your insurance paperwork. The future is getting here a lot faster than we think. Thanks for watching.